Good morning, my student. How are you today? I hope all of you fine. Okay, welcome to my English class with me, Mem Ernita Siombing. I'm teacher at SMA Negeri 5 Bagan Sinembah. Look at the text. According to the text, what is conclusions? Yeah, the text is about simple past tense. Nah, today we learn about simple past tense. Before it, I want to ask you, what is simple past tense? Here we will discuss parts of simple past tense such as definition of simple past tense, type of simple past tense, and example from simple past tense. Langsung saja kita masuk yang pertama, yaitu definition of simple past tense is used to describe an action or events that happened, completed activity that happened in the past and was complete in the past. Maksudnya yaitu simple past tense, yaitu suatu bentuk tenses yang menggambarkan suatu kejadian yang terjadi pada suatu spesifik waktu di masa lampau. Sedangkan kata kerja yang digunakan pada simple past tense yaitu menggunakan verb to atau kata kerja kedua. So, the tenses have connect expression simple past such as to use frequency atau menggunakan frekuensi like, often, sometimes, and always. Yang kedua yaitu to use to specific time or clear, yaitu menggunakan waktu yang spesifik atau lebih jelas, like last week, yesterday. Third, do not specific times, yaitu menggunakan waktu yang tidak spesifik ataupun tidak jelas, yang digunakan seperti kata the other day and a long time ago. Okay, the second part is types of simple past tense, yaitu we have 4 types of simple past tense, like simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. Nah, the last is example. From the example, we use frequency like I sometimes walk home at lunchtime. Saya terkadang berjalan pulang saat makan siang. Kata keterangan pada walk here yaitu menggunakan verb to ataupun kata kerja, yaitu itulah menunjukkan bahwa menggunakan simple past tense. Dan yang kedua, I often brought my lunch to school. Artinya, saya sering membawa makan siang ke sekolah. Kata brought here use verb to. She played the piano when she was a child. The mean is dia bermain piano ketika dia masih kecil. Sedangkan kata played here use the verb to atau kata kerja kedua, and when she was a child itu menerangkan kata yang tidak jelas ataupun do not specific time. Okay, until here our lesson today. Thank you for attention.